Hey John, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting you a quick custom video on how to outrank your competition online and get a lot of more customers through your website. The three things I want to talk about in this video are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Now, first, as you see, I'm on your website. So basically, it's going to be about a 5-minute video. I really hope that you like this free information I'm about to give you. If you like what you hear, give me a call. We can definitely talk. If not, no harm, no foul. I definitely want to send this out to you though. So without any further ado, so the first thing is we're on your home page. Google wants to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. Now you have some pictures on your home page where you have no words at all. So that's called content. And content must be with keywords that you're trying to target in your local area. So as you can see, you really don't have any words at all. So just by adding really good content, at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, it's really going to help boost your website's ranking. After that, let me just show you a quick tip. The pictures and how you save them really matter. Next, I want to talk about citations. So I'll show you this tool I use. A citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can put your business name, address, and phone number. That could be like these directories: Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, anything like that. So in the local New York area, you can see that people have about 15 to 20 citations. I really didn't find any for your website. And third and last, I want to talk to you about backlinks. So if I do a quick search in New York City, right, I just want to show you what how customers will search. So the first thing that people search for and they see these Google guaranteed ads. Now companies pay Google to get their listing up here. They got to go through a verification process and then they go there. So that's the first thing customers see. After that, they move on to the Google Ads section, the traditional one. After this, they move on to the map pack. This is a really good section to be on because this is good for mobile and desktop or laptop at home. People can see all this information right on the spot, and this can be done for any business to get your business listed on the top 3 Google Map packs by doing optimizations and a lot of citations. After that, we go on to what's called the organic section. That's down here. This is done through real SEO work, and your website's not really listed in even the first 5-10 pages of contractors or electricians in New York City. So last I want to talk to you is about backlinks. So backlink is basically any website out there which is pointing to your website, which is basically referring people and traffic to you and also giving you some kind of legitimacy in your industry. This is a tool called Ahrefs. I use this to get information about any website and how it's performing. So as you can see, I put in your website, which came back with nothing really at all. You're not targeting any keywords. You don't have any traffic coming in there. And that all comes back to the fact that you really don't have any content on your website. Now, to give you a comparison, one of the top organic ranked websites in New York for contractors and electricians are these guys right here. Now, as you can see, they have 381 backlinks, 47 domains pointing at them. They're targeting 406 keywords, and they're getting at least 588 people coming to their website every single month. Now, that's a lot of leads coming in. So the whole point of this is obviously to get customers to your website, leads to your website. And I'll just show you quickly right here. So it seems like your website was created in 2017, so it's about 4 years old. And the last time it was had any work done to it was more than a month ago. So you definitely want to get content over here. And I'll try to keep the video short, like I said. If you like the stuff that you heard and you would like to implement these things, you can give me a call. We can work on a plan of attack to get this done and definitely get you ranking in the New York City area, to get you a lot of leads, a lot of new customers, and to beat out the customers because competition, because right now they're getting the lion's share of the customers. I hope you liked the video. I do ask that if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about the video. And with that, you have a great day, John.